Copy music.
Hey you guys, this is Vlogmas. I think day 4 or day 3. What's up you guys? So I'm a little out of breath, but today is day 3 of Vlogmas. I think you guys, I'm pregnant. Please. If a lot of people have been commenting, y'all not doing every day. No, this is 12 days of Vlogmas that we're spreading out throughout the day, the last couple of days. You know, we got kids, we got business, we can't post every day, but we still wanted to participate in Vlogmas. And I bet is that if everybody posts at least 12 times this month before the 24th, before the 25th, owes the other person, you know, glasses. So basically, we are posting 3 times a week for the people that care about the bet. What's wrong? Okay, I get you, Apple. I am still a mother, very much so, and I'm pregnant at that. Effie just asked me for an apple. She gonna eat the last apple we got. I need to go to Costco because he really like these little Costco apples. They're organic and really good for you, I guess. So, yeah. Hold on. Here you go, baby. So I'm Asha. People know me from my days of being AshaKosh or just Kosh on the internet. When I first started being myself or showcasing myself on the internet, I was going by Kosh. I had a channel with my best friend, Kosh, but now it's just me, AshaKosh. And now I'm transitioning into Ashimai, which is my full name, my real name, and that's my new chapter in life. I feel like I'm 27, got 2 kids, a fiance, you know what I mean? So I'm evolving. Bad. But today I'm trying to decorate my cabinets. As you guys can see, we have really nice cabinets. And last year I decorated them. So of course this year I want to do the same. And I'm also gonna try to decorate the tree, but I might wait for Ty to come. He's at the shop right now to help me decorate the tree. But for now, we're gonna try and attempt to start on the cabinets. So, yeah, just bear with me. I'll have to clip y'all on me and get it started. I don't even know how I'm gonna do it this year because they didn't have the same color ribbon when I was getting it. So I have to be creative in the process. But I think because we're doing like all the colors, all the gives, I should be able to do what I want. I'm gonna start with the easiest task, which is I got this little tassel garland. Ah! Ah! See, this is why the pregnant lady, I'm okay. I'm gonna start with a tassel because it's really easy. All I'm doing is hanging it on top of the cabinets. So. Again, if y'all didn't know, I'm 38 weeks. I'm 9 months pregnant doing all of this. So pray for me, y'all, but we gonna get it done. And then our ceilings are super high. We have like 14, 20 feet. I don't know, ceilings are super high. And Christmas is in like 2 weeks. I'm giving birth probably next week. So I just wouldn't it be nice to come home to a decorated house? I know, so that's what I'm doing. I think I got something in my mouth. I'm glad I didn't sweep before I did this because I've been a little upset. Uh-oh. So I guess I do need to use the tape that I got. Y'all, watch me do all this shit. I'm gonna reduce my labor. And my parents are out of town. So I'm really trying to hold this baby in until tomorrow because they come back tomorrow morning. So hopefully all of this movement don't do too much. I tried to wait for Ty, but he was like, no, you can do it, go ahead. So this is me, gone ahead, y'all. Yes. Huh? What? This belly is what's getting me. Yes, baby. I'm trying to decorate the house for Christmas. And this Tesla up here. Yes, baby. I'm not gonna fall down. Absolutely not. No. I don't. I don't need you to come too, baby. No. You're gonna now. If you come too, I might actually fall. So let mommy do this, okay? Just make sure I'm good. Watch your show. You done? No, I'm not done. I still got a lot to go. I'm just trying to get a better angle. Yeah. Because I don't know why I was trying to do it the other way. Child, I was really trying to fall. See, this is way better, right? All right, cool. That actually looks super cute too. I don't even know if y'all gonna see this. Like if it's gonna look how I think it's gonna look when I'm done. But we're gonna keep going. That actually does look really cute, and I got too much, but that's cool because I can put it on the tree. I'm so excited to decorate this house, or at least this part of the house, the living room. Oh, where's my tape at? It's up there. Okay, cool. Okay. All righty. What you think? Hey, y'all. We just put on the garland. Now it's time to do the bows on the cabinets. I am telling y'all now that I don't have enough. I'm pretty sure I don't have enough ribbon, so I'm making my own like kind of design. Usually people just do stick to one color. And since I'm already convinced that I don't have enough, even I might just have enough, I don't want to risk it. So we gonna just act like we don't and just be creative this time go. Who gonna stop me? Nobody. And I bet I sound out of breath on this. Sound out of breath, child. I got a new hot glue gun. I got some cardboard so I don't glue. The last time I glued it and I messed up my cabinets, it wasn't horrible, but I just didn't like that I kind of messed them up. So I'm gonna try my best not to glue the bows on the cabinets this time. What's up, baby boy? Huh? I'm doing the bows now on the cabinets. This is for, be careful. This is just so that it can heat up. But you just watch and you can see. I'm just winging it for now. Can you say winging it? I know, I need that box for later. Ooh, okay. All right. Oh, we gotta make it a little bit longer than that. Girl, can I get it straight? to y'all the moment of truth. Once I move, you can see it, but it's fat asses in the way, you know, because I'm carrying this big load. What y'all think? As you guys can see, I finished it out. I think it looks pretty cute. I'm not gonna lie. I think I did pretty good, y'all. It's giving festive. I like the red, the green. It's really cute. Of course, the sparkle does it for me too. So yeah. Now let's do the tree. Come on the other side, got it? Yeah. This side, the other side, right? Got the lights? You see it? Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. These bulbs on the tree.
You said I can't trust in